Okay, this is 7210 1,000-gallon AVGAS truck. Year model 2004. You gotta put the PTO to turn on the pump. Nice clean seats. Turn on the pump, and it looks like we have a pressure building up. And this is just fuel, by the way, for the lubrication. It's not a water leak or anything like that. Okay, PTO's on. Okay, ready? Yeah, let's get pumping. Okay, he's reeling it out right there with the lever. And we're just gonna pump the fuel right back into the tank. I'm gonna climb up here and show you guys. Going. I'm gonna then show you guys the meter. Tough to read on the video. There you go. Yeah, it counts by the tenths. Keep pumping. Pump a little bit more. Okay, that's good. Nice, good. A lot of tread left in the tires. As you can see, lots of good tread. on the tires still. You have a fire extinguisher on both sides. This is where you bottom load the fuel. It's got a 2.5 inch inlet. See that? Okay. Once again, good tire. Nice and deep. Nice and deep treads. Once again, good tires. There's your sump tank right here. Another fire extinguisher. Here's your vessel, or your filter vessel. Facet.